Have you identified your fail-proof KPIs? Well, what is a KPI? A key performance indicator. They are the things that we do that are going to greatly increase the likelihood that we will reach our goals. There's a lot of uncertainty in our market right now. In fact, I'm following the stats and every day they're changing just a little bit. With so much fear and uncertainty, I'm here to tell you, identify your fail-proof KPIs. It's not actually that hard. A lot of it comes down to setting appointments, going on appointments, right? You can backwards map it all the way. But it is important that you understand with absolute clarity, in a world of chaos, what do I need to do today to move my business forward? Those are going to be your fail-proof KPIs. If you're unsure, DM me. I'll tell you some.